Hello everyone, I hope you all can hear me and see me. Yes, Anilji, these sessions happens every day. We booked a good profit in the morning session. I hope you all attended that. Good morning, good morning. Guys, am I audible? Please write yes or no in the chat. Great, great. Thank you for the confirmation. I can see a lot of you are joining in. Shivangi ma'am is also here. Good afternoon, ma'am. I hope you can hear me and see me clearly. Sona ji, I try to take as many queries as possible and in sequence. Please feel free to share if there is time. We'll be happy to take it up. ऐसा नहीं है कि जानबूझ के मैं किसी की query ignore करता हूँ. I don't want that to happen to my members. Ma'am, I have sent you a request to join the stage. Welcome back. I hope you are feeling good now.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Yes, back and better.
Great, great. You can share your screen. Meanwhile, I'll just do the introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anuj Sharma. I am the community manager at Motilal Oswal. Welcome to the monthly Nifty Expiry with our Nifty Queen, Miss Shivangi Sharda. Hope you guys are excited for the session. हमारा आज का morning session एक अच्छे profitable note पे start किया था. Let's hope कि we end the session at the same profitable note with our expert. अगर हमारे पास टाइम रहा तो we'll take some stock queries or else we'll just focus on the expiry. But yes, definitely we'll share some BTST trades. So check out the pin message, check out the chat, comments, and be ready because it's stock market is a very fast game. Seconds momentum आता seconds में momentum जाता है. Shivangi ma'am, you can share your screen and then we are good to go.
Thank you so much, Anuj. And it's of course monthly expiry and Nifty का तो volatility भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So I think let's just dive right into it and let's just kind of see what kind of setup is there. I think I've just shared my screen.
Your screen is visible, ma'am.
Yeah. So we've seen that from the last four trading sessions, Nifty has kind of struggled and not surpassed 24,500. हमने थोड़ी बहुत recovery जरूर देखी थी इस session में, but उसके बाद काफी हमने struggle देखा and it was not being able to surpass those levels. और आज काफी एक sharp sell off देखने को मिला है. There has been consistent selling from the second hour itself. ये hourly chart है Nifty ka, and we've seen that from the second hour itself, Nifty has cascaded down, and we've touched a low of 23,870, which is quite grave for that matter, क्योंकि आज के दिन हमने एक intraday high से it's almost more than 500 points. So we can see sort of a selling pressure जो है वो है, but we'll have to again see that if it's monthly expiry effect or the bears are back in the market. बाकी factors की अगर हम बात करें, FIs have started buying domestically, and that is one good point where buying interest emerge हुआ है after continuous selling of 37, 38 trading sessions. So that is one plus point. Second is crude oil prices have also come down. Geopolitical tensions have also eased. तो वो भी एक अच्छी बात है markets के लिए. But again, markets have reacted in such a way today, which is quite unexpected. But let's see how this pans out. So yesterday was Bank Nifty expiry, and we've seen that rollover is, Bank Nifty का जो rollover था कल के session में, as in the monthly rollover that we've seen is 77%, which is comparatively near its 3 months average, but still the open interest is quite low for Bank Nifty. आज के सेशन के बाद हमें पता चलेगा निफ्टी में कितने रोल ओवर्स है. सो बाय गॉजिंग ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स वी टेंड टू कम टू नो कि ये जो मूव है ये खाली एक्सपायरी का मूव है या फिर नेक्स्ट सीरीज में भी लिंगर ऑन करेगा. सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू फाइंड आउट बिकॉज आज का मूव काफी ग्रेव है. नाउ बट ऑफ कोर्स आज हम कनेक्ट हुए हैं हीरो जीरो ट्रेड के लिए. लास्ट 1 आवर को कैसे प्ले आउट करना है. So for the next 45 minutes, I would suggest that we go with put itself because हम put ही track कर रहे हैं सुबह से. And right now on my radar is 24,000 put, which is trading, around about 55 rupees right now. तो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे इस स्ट्राइक को हम रडार पे रखेंगे. वी आर गोइंग विद पुट स्ट्राइक ओनली एंड कॉल हम नहीं ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स ट्रैक कर रहे हैं बट दैट इज नॉट ऑन आवर रडार राइट नाउ बिकॉज ब्रॉडर प्रेशर जो है वो बना हुआ है सेलिंग साइड में ही है पूरा मार्केट राइट. We'll quickly discuss about Bank Nifty as well क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस स्पेस के स्टॉक्स बहुत ही बज में है and we've seen that BFSI segment is also a lot in action. Bank Nifty has now broken 52,000 which was an important support for Bank Nifty. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा है कि प्रेशर है. So 51,750 will be important. It will almost be like a make or break zone here. तो ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. And the hurdles are at 53,000 जहाँ पे काफी call writers अभी भी बैठे हैं. So now coming back to Nifty, I can see some of the call writing is present at 24,200 levels. तो वो एक काफी एक juncture रहेगा. But as of now, we'll just focus on the put trade itself. काफी grave selling हुआ है आज सुबह से. इसलिए the pace has sort of reduced, but again we'll have to see how this plans out for the next 45 minutes, right? Stock specific action अगर हम ध्यान दें, so there are some stocks which are looking very resilient in these kind of markets as well. So one of them is Indigo, that's right. जिस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं कि वेकेशन टाइम भी आ रहा है, फ्लाइट्स प्राइसेस soar up high at these hours. But of course, technically the chart is looking quite good. We've seen buying from the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, and the kind of support-based buying is seen at 4,200 levels. तो ये एक काफी अच्छा इंडिकेशन है कि एक बेस बन चुका है और एक अपसाइड के लिए स्टेबिलिटी आ गई है. तो ये सस्टेनेबल मूव रहेगा. So one can look for Indigo. It's a good buy for immediately. तो 4,400 is the target, but थोड़ा और positionally हम बात करें तो 4,500 is what we're looking at for Indigo, with a support of 4,250 levels. So Indigo is something that you can look out for. And some of the pharma stocks are also picking strength. If you look at Nifty Pharma, देखते हैं क्या कर रहा है Nifty Pharma. Although daily basis में तो कुछ खास नहीं हो रहा है, but there are some stocks which is doing good, like Biocon is getting ready for a fresh price territory movement. इसका एक previous hurdle था 350 के आसपास, वो surpass हुआ है और now 350 has become a base which was earlier a resistance. So this is one stock which you can look out, and 350 का काफी एक important relevance है. अगर आप देखो at these levels, I just like to draw a line also here. तो आप देखो this is 350 का level around. तो यहाँ पे काफी बार इसने पहले support लिया है, फिर resistance भी लिया, फिर अब जो है वो एक support की तरह काम करेगा. So 350 is important to watch out for in Biocon. Let's come back to Nifty. वो put अब 97 हो चुका है. Okay, there is a lot of swings in the market right now. तो हमें काफी carefully trade करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि within a matter of few seconds, there has been a 30-point increase in the put prices. So I think let's just shift the strike to 23,950 levels. We'll shift strike. Right? तो 23,550 का हम 23,950 का पुट हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. So I'll just quickly tell you the levels as well. थोड़ा फोकस हमारा आज पुट पे ही रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इट्स expiry day trade and we want to capture, right? So uh, the put is right now at 49 right now, uh, and it's sort of consolidated. Swings बहुत है guys. तो आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखना होगा कि if you are kind of playing out this move, you have to be very quick in the execution. Entry exit दोनों ही आपको बहुत quickly करना पड़ेगा, and this is the one of monthly expiry के time पे ही ऐसा होता है swings. तो ये आप rule out नहीं कर सकते. So if you are, I'm just telling you the range, but if you're not being able to capture, it is totally up to you. So 23,950 के put को हम देख रहे हैं. You can buy near 50 levels with a stop of 35 for a target of 80. This is the hero zero trade for today. Right now it is trading at 53. You can wait for it. 50-55 के range में आपको मिल जाएगा ये. 80 का targets है और 35 का stop loss. काफी हम risk reward जो है साथ में लेके चल रहे हैं because काफी swings है, so we don't want to lose much. This is the hero zero trade for the day, and 50-55 के range में ही है ये put, तो सबको entry point भी comfortably मिल गया होगा, I'm sure. But again guys, you have to be very fast in the execution because swings काफी है, and swings will be there for the next 30 minutes, right? Okay, so now the put is at 63. We'll just wait for some more movement. Abhi 60 के आसपास ही है ये put, right? Markets have not, respected the support levels much. काफी नीचे अब गिरते हुए दिख रहा है. We are kind of breaking all the intraday immediate support levels, right? The put is also stable at 55 levels right now. So 63 तक गया, but वापस अब 55 पे आ चुका है ये put. So we are just kind of tracking this. Focus हमारा इस पे ही रहेगा. It's gaining momentum. अभी फिलहाल 56 पे है. So swings जरूर रहेंगे. So there'll be a lot of swings. So उसको हम rule out नहीं कर सकते आज के session के लिए. So keep in mind that as well. So Nifty is taking some support. 54 पे है अभी. वापस 54 पे गया है ये. 51, 52. Okay. So we are seeing कि 900 तोड़ने की पूरी तैयारी कर रहा है ये. 900 पे काफी एक tug of war चल रहा है between the bears and bulls. I'm talking about 23,900 levels. 23,900 के लेवल्स की मैं बात कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. ये तोड़ने का यहाँ पे काफी एक tug of war चल रहा है. Right now the put is at 54, 55 ही चल रहा है अभी फिलहाल. तो एक swing आया, उसके बाद वापस वहीं पे settle हो रहा है. So let's just see. But of course monthly expiry के दिन हम बहुत swings expect करते हैं. So we are expecting कि ये इसमें भी एक अच्छा खासा movement और swing आए. So it's now at 56, 58, right? And the next 4 to 5 minutes we'll be coming to know कि हमें कहाँ book करना है, कहाँ wait करना है या कहाँ trail करना है. ये हमें clarity आ जाएगी. It's above 61 now, 62. So let's just see how this trade is planning out. 63 पे है अभी.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck, I guess. No, it's moving. Sorry, my mistake.
Yeah. So this is Nifty trade is what we're focusing at. So the screen is at Nifty. This is the chart for Nifty, 15 minutes. I can make it 1 minute, but I think 15 minutes is what we're looking at. So I can see a lot of messages for stocks as well, but I think I would like to focus on Nifty only itself today because आज काफी movement भी है Nifty में. Stocks I would love to take it up some other day, but right now I think we'll just focus on that. Okay, I'm also getting messages ki exited and took profit. Okay, but uh, that's also very nice. Thank you, Mahesh. Uh, okay.
That's really great to see people, are churning on their own. They are, taking experts analysis and then doing their own decisions, taking their own decisions
Yeah, I
and
think
booking
that is the
profits.
beauty of having a community like this कि हम live trading के लिए जब हम करते हैं live trading, I think that is what कि हम आपको range बता देते हैं, but of course exact prices पे आपको भी लेना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, and I think that is what is beautiful, that you're being able to book profits as per the range. Thank you so much, uh, Vanaparthi. Thank you, Diganta. Thank you.
We have many people who have booked profit. I'm getting a lot of comments from the Facebook as well.
Okay, all right, lovely. So there is a lot of swings, but बहुत सारे लोगों ने profits book किए हैं, which is lovely. Nifty is struggling at 23,900, but ये भी हमें ध्यान रखना है कि today's monthly expiry बहुत जल्दी premium decay भी होते हैं, crash भी होते हैं. So that is also one thing which works against us when we do buying. So that is also. Thank you,
Guys,
Vinay.
we will
Thank you
always, your
so
calls
much.
are the line of Lakshmana. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Kamlesh bhai.
Shobhitji, we have already given our buying range, target, and the stop loss. If you are, willing to risk and take the trade at a different rate, then you can. But it is what we have suggested. Some people are following the same, some people are not, and they take risk. Right now, they're booking profit. Koi sessions mein losses bhi book hote hain. So it's totally upon your risk appetite ki if you wanna buy it at a different buying range or not.
So फिलहाल the trade is again at a buying range only. 53 चल रहा है अभी. हमने 50 to 55 के range में ही buy किया था. But of course, as we move towards 330, we'll see like movement wild भी होते जाएंगे और premiums भी कम होते जाएंगे as per the time decay factor as well. Now, Nifty, of course, is coming down from what it was 5 minutes back, but the put option has not moved that much because of the theta decay. So, वो एक factor हमेशा रहेगा which will hurt us when we are doing option buying. So, that is something that you need to take care and keep in mind when आप जब पूछते हो buy वापस करें क्या. So we're just closely tracking as well. काफी लोगों ने exit कर दी है already, but again we are tracking. Usually, participation is a lot on the monthly expiry day trades. So that is why the swings are a lot. तो काफी हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि volatility रहती है. But of course, today the kind of movements the markets have shown and the kind of swings जो market में रहा है from the morning, I'm a little bit confident that this put is going to work out, and So yeah, we've seen that आप अगर ये 5 minute के candle को भी आप अगर gauge करो, this high was 23,929, and right now it's near the same, but it's not been able to surpass and cross this level. So this is lower tops, lower bottom बन रहे हैं. Okay, we are in a little bit of a pain right now, put में. So okay, I think जिन्होंने book किया हुआ रहेगा, congratulations, but then I think those who have not booked can exit because Nifty में थोड़ी बहुत खिंचावट है. So yeah, this will be it for the expiry date trade.
Guys, please exit the trade. We have to follow our stop loss very strictly.
Like I said, it's monthly expiry, तो हमें execution में भी काफी fast होना है. We can't just lose out on the execution part as well because काफी swings रहते हैं monthly expiry के दिन. So one has to take care of that as well.
Ma'am, do we have any BTST or any opportunity in Nifty right now?
So Nifty is आप देख सकते हो काफी wild हो रखा है, and right now the put is again shooting up. So I think if you can take that kind of a risk, only then it is advisable to be. नहीं तो आप avoid कर सकते हो. And for BTST, one can go for Indigo. Already we've discussed the levels as well. So yes, I'm getting a lot of messages कि किसी ने exit किया है, किसी ने profit में exit किया है. So yes, thank you guys. Thank you so much for all these messages.
Guys, we have given one positional trade as of now, that is Indigo. जो हमारा मॉर्निंग सेशन था दैट वाज प्रॉफिटेबल. इनफैक्ट हमारे तीनों ट्रेड्स उस पर प्रॉफिट रहे, निफ्टी एंड दोनों इंट्राडे. इसमें वी हैड अ लॉस, बट स्टॉक मार्केट में प्रॉफिट लॉसेस पार्ट एंड पार्सल. हमारे यस्टरडे सेशन में कुछ लोगों ने प्रॉफिट बुक किया, देन वी एग्जिटेड एट द बाइंग रेंज ओनली, सो वेरी मिनिमल लॉस, हार्डली 3 to 4 points. And again in the morning session we had profits. Request to repeat the Indigo trade. Rajiv ji, the Indigo trade is buying at 4343. Stop loss 4250. Target is 4400. It is pinned. You can check. Ma'am, do we have any opportunity again for a Nifty trade? I know you're still looking at analyzing it.
Yes, absolutely, Anuj. Analyze तो हम कर रहे हैं, but of course there is a lot of swings. And as I can see, हमारी community में कुछ traders जो है काफी mature है, उन्होंने profits भी book किए अच्छे खासे इसी trade में, and कुछ जो है stuck हो गए. So I think it's better to go with consensus and avoid any trade right now, because of course I would not want anyone to get stuck.
So guys, I guess that will be all for the day. I know we have not taken any stock queries, but we will definitely take all these queries tomorrow in the morning session. And that will be all for the monthly Nifty expiry. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you, Shivangi ma'am. Thanks a lot for joining, and I hope you recover and join the office as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone.